I'm going through a somewhat a peculiar situation in a positive way, though. I'm in a 3-year lease for a Chevy Silverado RST. It's 2023, fully loaded. I only have 2 payments left to make. I'm up at $753 a month. I'm in a good spot with that. I have some equity in the lease because after almost 3 years of driving, I literally only have about 13,000 miles and change. I barely drive. I'm a chiropractor and I work very closely to my offices. Love the truck and everything, but even if I was to buy the vehicle at this point, I'm purchasing a truck that's 3 years old to begin with. I don't really feel like doing maintenance on it. Not only that, unless I put a bundle of money down, the truck has held its value pretty well. So my payment would be more than I'm actually paying now. And the goal is to get less than where I'm at. I've also been already contacted by John. We were talking about some options moving forward. And one of the things he brought up was like the Infiniti QX60 Luxe. I'm a bigger guy, so I did go and check it out at a local dealer. So obviously I'll fit in that vehicle. But that being said, just wanted to see if there were any other options.
Did he talk to you about the Ram?
He did not talk to me about the Ram.
If you want to stay with a pickup truck, the Ram is a no-brainer. But it really depends on where your budget is. If you're okay to be in the 6s, then we can put you in a nice 2026 Ram Bighorn. But if your willing is to be like even less, because again, you said you barely drive, then the QX might be just a better bang for your buck.
And that's what he was getting at. He's like, for the price and for the type of vehicle that the QX60 is, you don't drive. I wouldn't want to spend that much money either. So yeah, I went from a GMC Acadia Denali to the pickup truck, and obviously a little bit of concern going, but lesser of an engine because I'm used to driving a little bit more force. But that being said, at this point in life, I think saving the money would definitely be the better option for me, just because, again, how little I do drive. He said he could get me down to somewhere $579 a month for the QX60.
What trim was that?
That was the Luxe.
And when was that?
That was last week.
Yeah, a lot has changed since then. Like inventory is depleted essentially, not including your equity or anything like that. You're going to be at $665 a month with $2K out of pocket on a Sport.
Say if I wanted to move on this, how fast could I get moving?
You can have this car in your driveway tomorrow.
Oh, really? Okay. I would have to check with my insurance to see if that's going to go up as well.
Yeah, I can give you a sample VIN if you want. And I'm also going to just have Jonathan circle back with you on these quotes because I want to make sure we're maximizing all the equity and giving you every dollar.
Okay. Maybe if that equity could help me out a little bit, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'm going to have Jonathan follow up with you. And you have my cell. So if you don't hear back from him in a couple hours, just please let me know, okay?
Okay, will do.